guys! Today, we will see how to create contacts in Joomla 4. You must create a category to use the contact component in Joomla 4. To create a contact form, we need to follow a few steps. First, we need to navigate to the New Contact section. Once there, we should enter the contact's name and select the linked user. We also have the option to fill in additional information such as the contact's image, position, email, and address. After that, we can choose from various options under Miscellaneous Information and Display. Then we can move on to the Form options and select the required options. Once we have made all necessary selections, we can save the contact form. To display the contact form, you need to create a menu from the Menu panel. Choose the New Menu option and give it a title. Then select Contacts as the menu item type. If you want to add new contacts, you can do so here. Additionally, you can select Featured Contact, Category Contact, and more. For now, we have created a single contact to select. Once you've made your selection, you can adjust your contact settings in Contacts Display Options. After that, save the menu. Now, if you visit your site, you'll see a menu called Contact with your contact information displayed. That's all for now.